Are you planning to build a career in data science but wondering how much a data science course costs in Hyderabad? Let's break it down. The course fees depend on several factors, including the institute's reputation, trainer experience, course duration, curriculum, live projects, certifications, and placement support. In Hyderabad, the fee for a quality data science course typically ranges between 30,000 rupees and 1,50,000 rupees, depending on what is included. While some institutes offer lower priced courses, it's important to look beyond the fee. Ask yourself, does the course include Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, Power BI, Tableau, and real-time projects? Will you receive placement assistance and interview preparation? These factors make a huge difference in your learning journey. Remember, the cheapest course isn't always the best investment. A comprehensive program with experienced trainers, hands-on projects, mentorship, and career guidance can significantly improve your chances of landing a high-paying job. If you're serious about becoming a data scientist, choose an institute that focuses on practical skills rather than just theory. Learning from industry experts, working on real-world data sets, and building a strong portfolio can help you stand out in interviews. If you're looking for expert guidance, Subba Raju Sir, with 25 plus years of industry experience, has trained thousands of aspiring professionals with an industry-focused approach designed to make students job ready. Don't let course fees be the only deciding factor. Invest in the right training, gain practical experience, and build a successful career in one of the world's fastest growing fields. To know the latest fee structure, upcoming batch details, and available offers, call now. 897-726-2627. Your data science career starts with the right decision today. Enroll now and take the first step towards a bright future.